Homeowners know that unexpected repairs and breakdowns are inevitable. Unfortunately, 1 in 4 homeowners doesn't have budget set aside to pay for those unexpected repairs. A home warranty allows you to plan ahead and protect your budget and your peace of mind. You can think of a home warranty as a renewable year-long agreement that cuts the cost to repair or replace home systems and appliances when they inevitably break down. Now, homeowners can purchase these plans at any time. It doesn't have to be when you're buying a home. Plans start as low as $40 a month, and they can potentially save thousands of dollars in out-of-pocket costs. The price of goods and services are reaching all-time highs. Home systems and appliances are no exception. When you enroll in a home warranty, you're locking in a price for a year ahead, regardless of inflation. So the best place to start if you want to learn more is just go to ahs.com.